So, before we start, try to give me as much information as possible with every answer and make sure you explain everything clearly. Okay?
Yes.
Good luck. Please start by introducing yourself. You can tell me what your name is, how old you are, where you come from, favorite color, hobbies, things like this.
My name is Phạm. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My favorite color is blue.
Okay, that's fine, we can move on from here. Now we're talking about requests, so you have to ask me if you can have one of those things in the picture. You can choose 2 pictures and ask me if you can have this. You can see the example here, can I have chicken and rice please? So you have to ask questions that are similar to this one.
Can you say it again?
Yes, of course. You have to ask me if you can have something on these pictures, like in the example, can I have chicken and rice please? And then I say, yes, of course. Do you understand?
Can I have
So maybe?
banana and apple?
Okay, yes, of course. Here you are. Okay, one more. Maybe you can ask about the fish. Okay, and now remember we learned when you talk to your teacher, for example, you have to be more polite. So instead of can, you can use another one. Do you know how to do that?
Can you say it again?
Yeah. If you want to be more polite, we don't use can. Which one do we use? Okay, very good. Now, we talk about adverbs of frequency. You have words in the box, and you have to use these words to complete these sentences. You always have to use one adverb of frequency and one verb. So always a word like always and have, drink, or eat. You understand? Okay, so here you have 3 verbs that are eat, then we have drink, and we have. So you have to use one of these and one of these 4 to complete these sentences. Okay?
I drink tea for breakfast.
Okay. How often? Sometimes, or never, or always? Do you?
Have some for lunch.
Okay. Do you always have soup for lunch? Yes? Okay, so you can say, I always have soup for lunch. Okay? Try the first one also. You said, I drink tea for breakfast. Do you always drink tea for breakfast? Or do you sometimes drink tea for breakfast? Sometimes. Okay, so you can say, I sometimes drink tea for breakfast. Try with the third one. We have milk. Now tell me, how often do you drink milk for breakfast? Do you drink milk?
I often drink milk.
Okay. How about the egg for breakfast? Do you eat egg for breakfast sometimes?
I sometimes eat an egg for breakfast.
Okay. Good. That's enough for this. Now we do the daily routine and the time. So you have to look at the pictures. You tell me how often you do this and at what time. You can see the example. I always walk the dog at 5:30 p.m. So now you can choose one of these. For example, do you play piano sometimes? Yes? Okay. What time do you normally play piano at? Do you play piano in the morning or do you play piano in the evening?
No.
You don't play piano. How about listen to music? Do you listen to music sometimes? Do you like listening to music?
Yeah.
Yes? So, do you listen to music in the evening or in the morning?
I listen to music in the morning.
Okay. Around what time? 7 a.m.? 10 a.m.?
9 a.m.
Okay. So you can say, I often listen to music at 9 a.m. Can you repeat that?
I often listen to music in 9 a.m.
Okay, very good. And do you play football?
No.
Okay. So you can say, I never.
Never play football.
Okay. Now we also need the time. So you can say, I never play football at. Do you know the time? Maybe. Okay, so you never play football at 4 p.m. Good. Now here we have things, activities, and I ask you if you like them and if you can do it. First, can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like swimming?
Yes.
Okay. How about dancing? Can you dance?
No.
Do you like dancing?
No, I don't like.
Okay. And the last one, can you read?
Yes, I can.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like.
Okay, very good. Now this is the last exercise. You see a very messy room, and you have to tell me where. You have to tell me about 3 clothing items. Tell me where they are in the room. Okay? Maybe you can start with the dress. Can you tell me where is the dress?
In the bed.
Okay. How about the sweater?
Sweater is floor.
The sweater is on the floor. Okay, good. And the last one, can you tell me where is the t-shirt?
The t-shirt is on the chair.
Okay, great. Now, one more. Can you choose one clothing item and tell me where do you wear this? Do you wear it to go to school, or do you wear it to play with your friends?
Can you say?
Yeah? Okay, let's choose the dress. Do you like to wear a dress? Do you wear a dress sometimes?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, that's fine. It's okay, we can stop here. You did well. High five. Well done.